If you're the owner of a Voss 350 Gromski or you're considering it, this video is for you. The Voss 350 Gromski is our small bore focused helmet. It offers a versatile shell design for maximum versatility. Let's start with what we'll need. You'll need your helmet bag, a clean microfiber cloth, your Voss 350 Gromski, and your replacement face shield. First, let's move to the chin cover. Open the visor and turn the helmet upside down and locate the chin cover release tabs inside the helmet. Press the button while firmly pulling the cover away from the helmet and repeat on the other side. You should be able to remove the chin cover now. Now we'll change the internal visor. It's quite a simple process. Pull the visor until you see it disengage from its attachment point, and then repeat on the other side. To install the new visor, find the visor attachment point on the inside of the helmet shell. It can be difficult to find, so here's a close-up. Align the visor tabs with the attachment points, and gently but firmly push each into place. Once both are installed, check the visor's movement to ensure it's installed correctly. Wipe off any fingerprints with a microfiber cloth and you're ready to go. And there you have it. We've successfully installed a visor on this Voss 350 Gromski. Remember, if you have any questions, reach out to customer support. We're always happy to help. New visors can be picked up at VossHelmetUSA.com, and drop a like if you found this video helpful. Subscribe for more content. And remember, stay safe.